Suppose that A star B means 3A minus B. What is the value of x if 2 star open parenthesis 5 star x close parenthesis equals 1? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The trick is to understand the rule. The star operation says A star B equals 3 times the first number minus the second number. Since the expressions are nested, we work from the inside out, so we start with the inner piece. 5 star x. Apply the rule to 5 star x. Here A is 5 and B is x. So it becomes 3 times 5 minus x, which is 15 minus x. Now do the outer operation. 2 star. The quantity 15 minus x. Here A is 2 and B is 15 minus x. So it is 3 times 2 minus the quantity 15 minus x. That is 6 minus 15 plus x, which simplifies to x minus 9. Finally, set this equal to 1. X minus 9 equals 1. Add 9 to both sides. And x equals 10. So the answer is 10, which is choice D.